So happy spring. I believe it's the first day of spring today. It is Saturday. Maybe it's not the first day. We'll see. But this is what I'm wearing today. Leggings, Adidas hoodie, hat because I'm getting ready to go outside. But just real quickly, wanted to show you what's going on in my office, practice, whatever / room. I will be doing each room. I'm showing you like a day at a time of how we got it completed. This is the bedroom. The bed is not made up because we usually stay in here on Saturdays and watch cartoons. So that's what we do. And this is his room, clean clothes we just did on Saturday. So he has his TV. He actually has 2 laptops as well, another monitor, as well as his mirror. So his closet is full of clothes. And this is the living room. So I'll start from here all the way around. Oh. The kitchen is going to be redone, and here is where our TV is. We're going to be doing some new window treatments in here, so the kitchen is going to get redone. We purchased the house, and so will that bathroom. We have another bathroom in the basement. You guys did not get to see how the basement looks, but we're actually on our way to working in the garage. So let me show you the basement really quick before I take you out to the garage. So this is where base space is. So he's a screen printer. I'll link his business information down below if you need any merchandise. He does all of that stuff. This is redone our laundry room, painted the walls black and everything, so have that high contrast. This wall is going to change, so stay tuned for that. Over in this area is more so display. We kind of switched things around to make this basement more for him. And then there's an area for me to work in. So this is our seating area, kind of like our break room, an area for us to be in during the summertime here in Michigan. It's usually very hot upstairs. So we'd rather be down here because it's cooler. And big old mirror, that is going into the garage now. And there's a bathroom in here. It's clean and nice, and I don't know what he was watching on here, but yeah. And then last but not least, I'll take you guys into my workspace. I'm setting up for a class that I'm teaching tomorrow. I teach classes on Sundays, online wig making. But yeah, this is my space, so it's kind of set up to get ready to do that for tomorrow. Yeah, this is where I do my lives. I'm able to see my students. I'm able to do things on multiple devices at one time. I'm able to record through my phones and just do kind of the whole shebang. I'm glad I made this. It's on rollers and all of that. And then in here is another like storage space with all of my hair products and fashion products and sewing machines and all of that. And then here is my wig making machine right there. So I am going to actually give you guys each room tour throughout the rest of spring as a way to like spring clean, because we're still in the middle of doing some of those things. But yeah, so I'm on my way outside to the garage. Garage? How do you pronounce it? He is such a goofball. Lord. So he got boxes and stuff. We trying to find places to put things. So yeah, this is our entire backyard. It's pretty large, but we're gonna be doing some things. Huh? Yeah, we need those. So we're gonna take a few hours to
figure this out.
Yeah.
I was just in here standing around looking crazy.
Like, oh, because there's a mixture of his old studio stuff and our gym stuff is in here. And this entire garage now is going to be our gym. So.
Which way did he go? Where did he go?
What did you think?
That's how I was feeling when I came in.
Oh, you just came in here and just put it. Yeah, we're going to be buying more mirrors too. I'm trying to figure out, I think I want mirrors on that wall. Yeah, this is kind of like more of a clean wall. So when we recording, the light from...
Yeah, that light,
it'll help.
It'll more likely shoot
push through the... Yeah, so this corner would be a nice space. You know, like when we doing recording for fitness and stuff like that, something to think about. We'll be able to hang our, what is that, a punching bag? We'll be able to hang it up. I'll be able to put my pole up in here too, and my other apparatuses, aerial apparatuses. But goodness, now I feel like he need to paint the rest of the ceiling black.
I wonder how she just do a ceiling. Gotta do some drywall up, man.
Yeah.
Drywall up. You know, once I get started, it's gonna be pretty much right. You know that, right? Yeah,
I'm just waiting on the sun to get right on in this mud.
It ain't cold out here, though.
It's not. But I still got a hat on, y'all. So we about to clean up in here. So that wasn't even an hour, was it, baby?
Super nigga over
here. Super nigga. So what we did is, this is all the stuff that's staying in here, except for I got to get my lira from back there and my yoga silks. My yoga hammock that I want to get from out of here. I'm going to take it in the room, but this is pretty much everything. We're going to bring the treadmill on the inside here. So we're going to have to get a shed for our lawnmower and stuff for the yard. I want to get some more mirrors. So yeah, we just kind of like, this kind of helps when we see the first entrance of it kind of clean. It kind of gets us going. So I think we're about to go ahead and, you want to take measurements? Yeah, we're going to go ahead and take measurements so that we can get the walls up. And then our next thing is focusing on the ceiling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the ceiling. And then, you silly. It looks nice. But, and then the floors, we're going to just keep them as they are. But we're going to add in that like yoga mat type durable feel, you know, gym flooring mat. That's what we're gonna get. So all of this stuff we just pulled out here, and we're going to send that off to the front of the yard for garbage day. So we still got some stuff like this we have to do within the house because we got some more open space in the house. So when we work together, dream work make the team work. You hear singing. So that's where we are, and we'll see you guys in the next clip.
Yeah.
So we just finished the measurements from width of each wall and the height. All the way around is 7 feet 5 inches. So next thing is to get the drywall or whatever we're putting up for the wall, paint the walls, and then decide how we're doing the ceilings. So we did a little bit more cleaning in here so we could be able to get into the walls and measure them, and then we put things back until we come back in here and start on the walls.
Right now, get some money though, babe.
You say what?
I come out here right now and get some money though. Stuff.
You could.
Over here. Whoa. Right now. Get money. Yeah. Check it out. They're right over there. Look.
And the mirror's over there.
Just lightweight. Just lightweight something real quick.
He can't wait to freaking do what he need to do in this gym. We miss it.
Yeah, I miss it.
So, kind of glad we did take this break. We had this discussion. Taking a break from weight training, which our body responds to quite easily. When we get back into it, we're letting everything take its course. We're going to be back on track with the way our bodies look. Really stable. But it's going to be so sweet in here, I swear. We just need one more bench, like a flat bench. That's all we need.